CBD oil and dog. CBD oil is a natural product derived from the hemp plant. It has become increasingly popular in recent years as it is known for its potential health benefits. The use of CBD oil in dogs has also become increasingly common. Some of the benefits of CBD oil for dogs may include pain relief. CBD oil can help dogs with chronic pain, arthritis or joint pain because it has anti-inflammatory properties. Anxiety and stress management. CBD oil can help dogs suffering from anxiety or stress, such as separation anxiety, travel anxiety, or noise phobias, e.g., fireworks or thunderstorms. Anticonvulsant effect. CBD oil may be helpful in dogs suffering from epilepsy or other seizures by reducing the frequency and severity of seizures. Appetite stimulation.